Thank you, Business GOVirtual, for recognizing our AI-AR remote hand solution in the AI application category. It's a testament to our team's hard work and dedication. As a trusted global local intelligent DICT service partner, CITIC Telecom CPC is committed to delivering innovative and intelligent technologies to help our customers stay ahead of the market. That's why we develop different future-ready solutions like AI-AR remote hand solution, which integrates our intelligent capabilities with latest technologies to provide real-time intelligent solutions on an AR heads-up display, not only increasing service productivity, but also helping businesses overcome challenges in multi-technology environments. Our solution serves a wide range of industries, from manufacturing, logistics to property management and retail. In addition, we have developed an intelligence operation journey to help guide our customers along the way. Moving forward, CITIC Telecom CPC will continue to enhance our capabilities in line with our motto of innovation never stops, providing our customers with the support they need to achieve their goals. Once again, thank you for this wonderful recognition.